Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign out of Litmatch. So if you also want to sign out of Litmatch, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Litmatch application. You can see over here Litmatch is opened. All you have to do is go to your personal page, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile. Now in order to sign out of your account, you'll have to go to settings, tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. You can see over here settings will be opened. You can see several settings options over here. You can see option for switch mode, edit profile, change avatar, notifications, language, etc. Scroll down. At last you'll be able to find the sign out option. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options over here, confirm and cancel. All you have to do is tap on confirm option. Now you can see over here you signed out of Litmatch. So that is how you sign out of Litmatch. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.